Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, September 14th. Time is around 6:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So my take on the NASDAQ is that we are doing a wave 4 correction here. So here we had a wave 3. This is our wave 4 area, and I believe the wave 4 correction is currently ongoing. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I just focus here on this part. And so I believe this wave 4 correction is unfolding as a WXY pattern. It could actually already have been finished here, the wave 4 as a WXY. If you want to have more details on this, also please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. But yeah, main expectation is that we will get another corrective leg here, the Y leg. And so now the question is, is this wave X here finished? So we have our wave W, and now the question is if our wave X is finished, or do we see another high? So in the primary scenario, I expect another high before we, with another high, I mean taking out this high here. So this is what I expect in the primary scenario. It could be that the wave X high is in here. This is what you see in my secondary scenario. So the scenario in red, I always indicate my secondary scenario in red, my primary one in green. So in my secondary scenario, you see that we had our wave X in here as an ABC structure. So A, B, C, wave X, 3 corrective moves. This is actually enough. And so from here, we could start to go down as a wave Y. However, I think the scenario in green will play out, the primary one, and this would mean we have a wave W, a wave X, and now we still need a wave Y. The reason I think so is because of this structure here. Let me show this on the 1 hour. So here we have our wave W. And so like if this 3 waves correction would have been completed, it means that we need an impulse down, 5 waves down. After a correction, we should again have 5 waves. And this does not really look the case to me. For me, this is more, I would count this as a 3 waves, as an ABC. Also, we clearly do not end with divergence. So therefore, I tend to label this as 3 waves. And if this is 3 waves, it means the corrective structure is still ongoing. And then I would expect another 3 waves here. And if this happens, then we actually have a complete corrective structure, and then we can go down again. So if this here is the Y leg, the last corrective leg, I believe this is playing out as an ABC structure. So I would label this as a wave A. I also think the wave B is already in. Like if we take the length of our wave A, then we know that our wave B is supposed to go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 Fib retracement. We went into this area quite deep even. So here in the Nasdaq, I would not expect another leg down as a wave B, although it can always happen. It's not my main expectation. I would expect that the wave B low is in here, and if this is the case, then if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B. Then here, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is our wave C target. And yeah, if we would go into this area, it means we take out this high here, and this is what has to happen to have the WXY correction. So this would be my primary scenario. So ABC structure here as a wave C taking out this high. The completion of this wave C means the end of this wave Y, means the end of this wave X, and then we can reverse again to the downside. Then we have our wave W or wave X, and then a wave Y has to come in order to have our wave 4 taking out at least this low here. So this would be my primary expectation. So what would be the surprise? Yeah, that this part here should be counted as 5 waves and not as 3 waves. So if this is 5 waves down, what could happen then is, so if this is an impulse, so then here we have a high, this is an impulse, this is corrective up, and then we should see a further downside. But yeah, like I told you, I cannot make this my primary scenario. This does not look like 5 waves down to me. It looks more like 3 waves down. So therefore, I expect a bit more upside in the NASDAQ, taking out this high here before we start to reverse. That would be my primary expectation. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.